Did you know the biggest stock crash ever happened because of a guy who thought he could sell a pig for $1 million? That panic sold more than just pigs. It sent the whole market into a freefall. A stock market crash is just a massive panic sale party. Imagine a crowded dance floor where everyone suddenly decides the DJ is terrible and rushes to the exit at once. The 1929 crash wiped out about a quarter of the US's wealth in a single week. When the crowd runs, the floor creaks and the music stops. Prices tumble when sellers outnumber buyers. It's like a garage sale where everyone brings a couch and nobody wants to buy them. During the 2008 crash, the big US stock index called S&P 500, the list of the 500 biggest companies, lost about 40% of its value in less than a year. More couches, fewer buyers, so the price tags shrink. Fear is the secret sauce that makes crashes spread. Think of a flock of chickens that sees a fox. They all bolt in the same direction, even if the fox is just a scarecrow. Studies show markets can lose up to 30% in a single day just from fear alone. When chickens run, the whole farm shakes. You might think crashes only hurt Wall Street suits, but it's more like a city blackout. The whole neighborhood loses power, not just the fancy mansions. Even a small retirement account can lose half its value in a severe dip. Surprisingly, crashes can be a bargain hunter's dream. Picture a thrift store after a big sale. Everything's half price, even the weird vintage lamps. Investors who bought during the 2009 trough saw average returns of over 20% in the following years. If a crash hits tomorrow, your grocery bill might not double, but your savings could feel the sting. It's like your fridge door being left open. Your food slowly spoils, even if you don't notice right away. Keeping an emergency fund and diversifying, spreading money across different things, can cushion the blow. In short, a stock crash is a panic-filled dance floor where everyone trips over their own couches. Stay calm, keep your money on a leash, and remember, this isn't financial advice, just a pub talk lesson. Cheers!